Hello everyone, welcome to Editor Satsa channel. Graphic design is more than just aesthetics. It is the perfect blend of art and science. Every design element is carefully chosen and crafted with a purpose in mind, from the colors, typography, images, all the way down to the white space. Graphic designers have to balance design principles with user experience. A good design is not just about looking beautiful, but also about serving its purpose effectively. The design process involves brainstorming, sketching, prototyping, and finally, execution. It requires creativity, research, and understanding of the target audience. Graphic design is not just limited to logos and posters. It encompasses a wide range of disciplines like web design, wide design, UX, branding, packaging, and more. At its core, graphic design is about communication. It is about telling a story, conveying a message, and building trust. The impact of good design is undeniable. It can make a lasting impression, create brand recognition, and even change the world. In conclusion, being a graphic designer is not just about having creative skills, but also about understanding needs and desires of the people you're designing for. It's about using visual language to impact the world in a positive way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative content like this.